Gutter work in Colorado Springs bunches up after the leaves, after a storm, before a freeze. People in Gleneagle, Briargate, and the foothills search gutter cleaning near me, gutter repair Colorado Springs, gutter installation. They want someone local who will actually show up on the ladder this week. If you are not in the map pack during that 2-week rush, you wait for leftovers. Recurring gutter customers are built from those first searches. Miss the map and you miss the route. This is a category problem as much as a website problem. Gutter cleaning service, gutter contractor. The label has to match what they type. Photos of real Colorado Springs houses, real gutters, real trucks. Reviews from this season. A listing that still shows last October as the newest review looks idle. Service area should name the neighborhoods you actually drive. A site that only says Colorado Springs and never says Falcon or Manitou leaves easy pages on the table. Mobile, fast, a number they can tap. The gutter companies filling routes after a Colorado Springs storm have this season photos of clogged downspouts and clean gutters on local houses. They show up for gutter cleaning near me and gutter repair, not a leftover handyman category. Reviews from Gleneagle and the foothills this fall beat a 5-star average with no dates. We will show you who is ranking for gutter cleaning Colorado Springs right now and what is thin on your profile. Plain English, month to month. Call 719-639-8238 and tell us what you do and where you do it. No pressure, no sales script, just a clear plan. Or go to caseysSEO.com.